YouTube? We're back with another freaking video. So y'all, I've been gone for such a long time, and somebody commented that on my video. I was like, I didn't even think y'all care for real. But anyways, y'all, so I've been gone for such a long freaking time. So today's video, we're just going to, I was going to sit down and talk with y'all, but like not right now. Like I feel like I just want to make a good little content video for y'all. And so today's video, I'm just going to do like a cleanup with me. My apartment is chunky. Y'all. So I'm just going to show y'all a little bit of what I need to be cleaning. So like this is the bathroom right now. It's pretty junky. I mean, like I just need to clean off the countertop and stuff and like clean my shower. You always need to do like a daily cleanse of everything. So anyway, so this is the room, y'all. It's my job. Before we go in here, do not judge me. It's junky. Do not judge me. It's junky. Anyway, so y'all, this is like my room right now. Don't judge me. But y'all, I need help. Like I need somebody to just like come and like clean my room on a daily, okay? Because anyways, let's get it. So we are officially done with my room. Y'all, it was a whole workout. Like, honest to God, it felt like a whole workout. So I just gave y'all like a little tour what it looks like. It's still a lot that kind of needs to be done. Like I still need to like give y'all a furnished tour. I still have to finish furnishing my room because y'all, It looks a little plain, a little basic, a little childish, so we're not completely done with the room. I just haven't had time to just like shop for my room. I really haven't had time to shop at all besides like buying groceries, like stuff that I really need. Yeah, so we're out with this video. Like, share, comment, and subscribe. If y'all have any comments, if y'all have anything that y'all feel like I should put in my room, let me know. Or the bathroom. Like, I feel like my bathroom is empty, but it's honestly a bathroom. Like, what else could you do to it? Like, the ideas I had in my head was not like, you know, clicking with the actual bathroom. So let me know what y'all think. Let me know what y'all think I should put in my room, just to give it like a little oomph, a little girly vibe, or whatever. So yeah, we're out with this video, and I'll see y'all in the next one. Bye.